I'll show you a picture of him. This is a picture of Charlie as an M&M and me as a cow. And that's how I got the cowbell. And this is down at Bourne Scenic Park on Halloween, which is Columbus Day. And it's a wonderful picture, and that's his sister, his cousins. He was a delightful child. He always with the Bruins. He's a very, very gentle man. The other grandmother, Gail Coyle, and myself think the same way, because he's just that type person. His mom and dad groomed him to be that type of person, and his sisters are the same way. Well, he made a note that he was going to be a hockey player from Pingree School. His 6th grade teacher said, well, what other option do you have? And he said, oh, I don't have any other option. He's just a wonderful young man.
And do you watch pretty much every game on the television?
I do watch it, and one of the girls come over every night and watch it with me. Theresa, Patty, and Diane. I want to wish him a very happy birthday. March 2nd.
No.
I ring the bell. When I saw him on Christmas Eve, I brought the bell and I rang it, and Charlie said, well, now at least I know what it sounds like.
He heard it.